AI never sleeps. And this week has been absolutely insane. The best AI 3D model generator just dropped. We have a new AI that can edit videos with just text, and this is free and offline. We have another free AI video tool that can transfer the movements of one video onto another character, including facial expressions and hand movements. You can seamlessly replace anyone in a video with another character. We have not one, not two, but 3 new state-of-the-art text-to-speech models that can even handle different emotions and accents. We have a new AI image editor that competes with Nano Banana and Seedream. This allows you to micro-edit certain parts of the image into whatever you want. We have a new open source deep research tool which can autonomously do really long and multi-step research. The crazy thing is this is really small, but it even beats larger proprietary models like OpenAI's deep research. Google just added some incredible AI features into Google Chrome and a lot more. So let's jump right in. First up, Alibaba releases a super powerful video generator called Wan Animate. This is based off of Wan 2.2, which is currently the best open source video generator out there. But here's what makes Wan Animate even better. This can basically transfer the movement of an existing video onto a new character. And this includes the entire body movement as well as face and hand movements and lip sync. So here are some examples. Notice that it precisely copies the expressions and movements from the original reference video. This can also replace characters in an existing video while preserving the background. So here's an example.
Rick Sorkin? Excuse me, Mr. Sorkin, you are 5 minutes late. Is there a reason why I should let you in?
Look, I'm just trying to ditch the cops, okay? I don't really care if you let me in or not.
Mr. Spector will be right with you.
What?
Can I get you anything? A coffee or a bottle of water?
How insane is that? It also, blends the new character in seamlessly with the original background. So you don't have to worry about lighting or white balance. Everything just blends in seamlessly.
Here are some other examples for your reference, which shows you how this is able to replicate not only entire body movements, but also hands and fingers and facial expressions. And this doesn't just have to work with realistic humans. This also works with different creatures, or this also works with other animation styles like this. Here are some ridiculous examples on how you can seamlessly replace a character in an existing video.
这是华卓斯基家的格言，我爸告诉我的，刚好在这座湖还有这艘船上。
How crazy is that? Everything is super accurate. We don't get any deformations or warping like previous video generators. The quality and accuracy of this are incredible. And if you compare this with other similar tools like Animate Anyone or Wan Vase, which I've gone over on my channel before, notice that this new one, Wan Animate, is just way better. Also note in the bottom left corner, Runway Act 2, which is a paid and pretty expensive model, is just absolute trash. The character isn't even really moving. Here's another example for your reference. It's a pretty complex motion, but Wan Animate handles this the best. So with this tool, now anyone can act out their own AI movies. You can just film yourself acting out any scene and then plug it through this AI to transfer your movements onto any character. This is a super powerful tool. The awesome thing is, if you scroll up to the top of the page, they've released everything already. God bless the Alibaba Tongyi team. So if you click on this GitHub repo and you scroll way down, this contains all the instructions on how to download and run Wan Animate locally on your computer. Now, if you check out their Hugging Face repository, note that the total size of everything is like 72 gigabytes. I assume you'll need at least 40 gigabytes of VRAM in order to run the model. However, because this is open source, we are really quickly starting to see some compressed GGUF versions available. Note that currently at the time of this recording here, it says it's highly experimental and probably still broken. For me, I know that Comfy UI is working on an official workflow for OneAnimate. So that's what I'm waiting on. Once they release this official workflow, I'll definitely do a full review and installation tutorial on OneAnimate. So stay tuned for that. For now, if you're interested in reading further, all the links are up here, so I'll link to this main page in the description below. Equally as impressive is this new AI video editor called Lucy Edit. This is by Descartes and it's free and open source and insanely fast. This is basically like a nano banana where you can prompt this AI and edit any element of the video with just text. This is incredibly easy and powerful for micro editing certain aspects of a video. As you can see here, you can easily change entire characters in a video to something else, or their clothing or appearance, just with natural language. The awesome thing is you can try this out right now. So let's click on Playground, and over here, let's first upload our own video. So I'm going to upload this, and then let's change this tie to red. Notice that you can sign up for a free account and you do get 2,000 credits to play around with. And one generation here using the Pro version at 480p costs 75 credits. If you want to generate 720p, that's going to cost double. So for now, let's just go with 480p and then click generate. And here is what you get. How cool is that? You can play around with this further, like changing his hair color, changing his entire outfit, or just replacing this man with a completely new character. This is an incredibly powerful semantic video editor. Now, notice that here they offer two different versions, Dev and Pro. Presumably Pro is going to be better quality, but the awesome thing is they've released the Dev version. So on this GitHub repo, which I'll link to in the description below, if you scroll down a bit, here they've released a full Comfy UI workflow where you can use Lucy Edit Dev locally on your computer. So they even include two different weights. This one is more quantized and compressed. And so you can actually start installing and using this offline. And then if I click into their Hugging Face repo, notice that the compressed one is only 10 gigabytes in size. So this should be able to work if you have like 12 gigabytes of VRAM or more. And notice that this is just their official version. I'm sure there's going to be even more compressed versions of this in the near future. Anyways, I'm definitely going to do a full installation tutorial and review on this, so stay tuned for that. For now, if you're interested in reading further, I'll link to this main page in the description below.